Lesson 1. What is translation? Focus 1. Defining translation. Translation is an activity consisting of the interpretation of the meaning of a text in one language, so-called the source text, and the production of a new equivalent text in another language, called the target text or translation. Focus 2. Goal of translation. The goal of translation is to establish a relationship of equivalence between the source and the target texts. That is to say, to ensure that both texts communicate the same message, while taking into account a number of constraints, including context, rules of grammar, writing conventions, idioms, and the like. Focus 3. History of translation. Translation is one of the oldest human activities. One can hardly determine the historical onset of translation. However, it is possible to assume that translation came into existence as a result of the dire need of different speakers of different languages to communicate with one another. From a historical point of view, official documents and religious texts can be deemed to be the oldest kinds of translation. Focus 4. Automated translation. Traditionally, translation has been a human activity, though attempts have been made to computerize or otherwise automate the translation of natural language texts, that is, machine translation, or to use computers as an aid to translation, that is, computer-assisted translation. Thank you and goodbye.